Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today we have a 2021 Honda Santa Fe. Covers multiple years. Your tail light looks like this. I'm going to show you how to get this tail light out. First thing you want to do is open the tailgate, and you want to open these two little covers here. I'm going to use a thin screwdriver, get it in there, and it'll pop. There's two of them. Alright, watch, make sure you don't lose them. Pick that up. So once we have that off, there's a, see in there, it's a Phillips head or a 10 millimeter. You can use a 10 millimeter. I'm just going to use a Phillips head in there. Get these two loose. Take both of them out. There's the other one. Now we're going to get to the hard part. Once these are loose, you got to get this light out, and it's very difficult. I'm going to show you the trick to do it, but I want to first show you the other light. I want to first show you this other light here that I took out. So there's two screws that went in there, and if you look in the back, there is a slide here and a pressure pin there. See the slide? It slides on that clip, and a pressure pin there. So the way to do this is to start wiggling this. Now watch, the bolts are going to fall out, but we'll pick them up. It's just not going to come out. So you have to do a combination. It should take a good minute, putting pressure back. And you can have somebody do that while you want to kind of hit it this way, like that. The more wiggling you do, the more it's going to loosen up. Just keep grabbing and wiggling, okay? So that popped out. We got lucky there. But the key is to really get it off that slide pin, is to slide it back. You want to get that pressure back and that pin out of that grommet there. That's the key. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes to do this, but it will come out. And then if you need to change the bulb, you just disconnect it from the harness here. Right there, you press this right here down and pull out. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's hard for me to show it. You press it right there and then pull, and that will come out. So Joe Beermaster, the Car Master, please subscribe and share this with a friend. It helps a lot. Take care.